Okay, so this video just continues from question 1. We didn't get to part F in the last video. So this part F asks, find the maximum volume of the cuboid and the value of x for which this occurs. So what we're going to do is we'll look at our graph that we graphed before in the previous sections, and we're going to try and find the maximum, so the turning point. So we go to menu, analyze graph, maximum, because we have a maximum turning point. To find that coordinate, lower bound means left side, upper bound means click on the right side, and it gives us the coordinate 21.33 is the x value, and the v value, the volume, is 97,090.37. So all we need to do is write that on our paper. So maximum volume is 97,090.37 meters cubed when x equals 21.33 meters. That would be 1 mark, and that would be another mark. And now we can move to question 2 if you need to.